Hi guys, welcome to the channel. I'm meant to be uploading natural hair content, but I'm uploading a relaxer routine because this is what I do. I'm in cosmetology school, okay? So the first thing you would need for this relaxer routine, guys, is a no-lie hair relaxer base. This is from ORS. It came in the box. This is the step A. And you also need the activator. That's what helps to activate the relaxer. You don't want to use them separately because I'm going to mix them together later on, okay? Then the shampoo I'm going to be using is the shampoo from the ORS relaxer set. Is their aloe creamy aloe shampoo, which is the step 2. Then for conditioner, I'm going to be going in with this their replenishing conditioner, then their hair lotion and the mousse for styling and all that good stuff, okay? Then one thing you would need for the perimeter of the client's head is a shea butter blend like this one. This was one of the first samples for theirs by Kachi. Or even petroleum jelly, guys, for the perimeter of the client's head. I'm going to be going in with this cocoa sheen on her scalp later on when we're done with the relaxer for styling. So you're going to have to mix the activator with the relaxer base. You have to mix everything together to form like the relaxer paste thing. So the whole process of relaxing is different from like anything because relaxers help to break down the sulfur bonds or the cysteine bonds in our hair. When the sulfur bonds in our hair are broken down, that means that our hair is permanently straight. Water and heat help to break like hydrogen bonds. Not necessarily break, but remove the hydrogen bonds. But relaxers break off, like rearranges permanently the sulfur or cysteine bonds in our hair. So what I'm doing, I'm mixing the activator and the cream base together to form a paste. You know how to make sure to mix this appropriately. Don't just mix it anyhow. Mix it very well because this is what's like will make your hair to relax in quotes. I don't know if you guys get what I mean. Okay. So I'm going to. This is how it looks after I've mixed it for like almost how many minutes. You can see the texture. So let's just get her hair to applying it. So this is my client's hair. She's experiencing thinning at the front part of her hair because of a tight style she did a couple of years ago, guys. It's going, and this is actually her last relax, guys. I convinced her that this is the last one. I told her if I catch her with with her hair relaxed again, that she should just avoid me. So this is her last relax. So as regular practice, you section your client's hair into as many portions as possible. You can see the thinning at the front part of her head. But we're going to fix that later on. Don't worry. You don't have to comment, okay, this client's hair is thinning, blah blah blah. No, please, babies, keep your thoughts to yourself, okay? So her hair is sectioned into 4 for easy application. You can section into 3 if you want. And I'm going to be going in with this my Diaz by Kachi butter. It's an old formula, guys. The new formula is way better than this formula, okay? So you can always shop Diaz by Kachi. I'm applying it around the perimeters of her head, and anywhere because this will prevent the relaxer from burning off her edges in quotes and affecting her skin. So it's like protecting her skin all around, okay? We're going to apply it to her ears, her roots or her scalp, and it might even touch her scalp. But for this first application, to avoid your clients getting burns, don't apply it. Please, I'm saying it now, don't apply it to your client's scalp. If you get on her scalp in the first application, remove it. Find a way and wipe it off. Find a way to clean it off. Relaxing should not be a painful routine. You can see how very gentle and very quick I am. You have to be very fast because apparently I've gone for a few relaxing classes. Relaxing a full head of hair is meant to be like 20 minutes max, 20 25 minutes max. Like relaxing the full head of hair straight to washing, from setting to washing should be 25 minutes max, 20 25 minutes. So you don't have the whole day to do this. You can see I'm applying it to her, avoiding her root for the first application. I didn't really get to film the second application on camera, but for the second application it's the same thing, but I ended up applying it just literally on her scalp. But I was very fast with that because I did not want anything to cause her scalp to burn, because you don't want your client's scalp burning, okay? So for the first application, a few centimeters away from the scalp. For second application, as fast as possible, you are going to apply it to your client's roots, which is probably obviously going to touch her scalp, okay? So I'm just going in round, trying to work very fast. When 5 minutes is counting down, so you have to work very fast. Another tip is going with a brush that is very wide like this one. Don't go in with those ones that are thin, because those ones need you to apply, or go in with multiple applications per line. But if you go in with this one, just one application per line is fine. Just see, I'm applying it up, I'm applying it down. Just work very fast. Focus. Imagine if I was in a very small brush, I have to go in again to the relaxer to go and dip. But you can see with this one, I'm just applying it once and I'm moving on. To ensure you do this if you want to like relax your client's head. And people that are like, Katia, in natural hair page, why are you showing this? I attend cosmetology school. Relaxing is part of the syllabus. I cannot remove it. I'm just sharing for people that actually relax hair. I'm not going to ever relax my hair, obviously. Like, that's out of it. It's either I lock my hair or I remain natural. There's no other anything. There is no two ways about it. So please, you don't have to wait for a relaxer to get done, in quotes. It is not rice, it is not food. Once you apply the relaxer appropriately and you're fast enough, you don't have to massage. It's not clothes you're washing or you're wrinkling. Please do the needful. So I'm just applying it, working as fast as possible. We're already done with 2 sections in like less than like 4 minutes, and this is not fast forwarded, guys. This is real time. So we're in the front and it's the same thing. What do you do first? You apply around the perimeters, then you start sectioning and going in line by line. We're applying around the perimeters. We're not applying to our edges fully yet. Just around the perimeters of her head, guys. Before we now go in section by section, you can see that I'm avoiding her roots. Thank God it is zoomed in. You can see I'm avoiding her roots. So guys, this is her full head of hair after applying the relaxer. We've gotten it everywhere. We're working as fast as possible. This video just took like 15 seconds before I went ahead to go and wash it all off. It's everywhere. Her hair is almost straight. We didn't have to massage, guys. We're not meant to massage relaxer or start combing it in. It does not need a body massage, okay? So when you're washing off the relaxer, first thing you need is hot water, guys. You need warm or hot water to wash it off. You don't want to wash it off with cold water. Warm, not hot as for boiling hot though, people, please. Warm.
how she dey stand for corner. If you no mind, I go like me to call her. She say she like compliment, look at the color. If I forget the name, I go use true color. See how she dey stand for corner. If you no mind, I go like me to call her. She say she like compliment.